Hello everyone, have a nice day. So here are some examples of phrasal verbs with translation. Number 1, I ran into my old friend at the grocery store yesterday. Sa Tagalog naman is nakasalubong ko ang aking dating kaibigan sa tindahan ng grocery kahapon. And number 2 examples, the car broke down on the way to the airport, so we had to call for a tow truck. So sa Tagalog naman is nasira ang sasakyan sa daan papuntang airport kaya kailangan naming tumawag ng tow truck. And number 3, I need to clean up my room before my parents come home. So sa Tagalog naman is kailangan kong linisin ang aking kwarto bago umuwi ang aking mga magulang. And number 4, Sarah turned down the job offer because the salary was too low. So, in Tagalog, tinanggihan ni Sarah ang alok ng trabaho dahil masyadong mababa ang sahod. And number 5, the teacher asked the students to hand and their assignments by the end of the day. So, hiniling ng guro sa mga estudyante na isumiti ang kanilang mga takdang aralin bago matapos ang araw. So, yan ang mga example ng phrasal verbs. And thank you so much.